And here comes number 11. So here we go, the surface. And obviously there's something printed on. And this is more of the surface. And we got a rift here and letters. Very good. And dirt. Now comes a scene from the back side of the item with this gigantic hole. I cleaned it up. It's still dirty, but promise me, it looked nastier before. And so the last scene I've got of this item is this. And what is this? Squares. So I think this one is one of the more easier ones, and yeah, please write what you think it is right now. Alright, so here we go. I think this was kind of easy. The solution is calculator. Here we go. And specifically it's a TI-84 Plus. But calculator is sufficient. And I hope a lot of you got it right. Yeah, let's switch it on and it says junk food taster. Yes, there's nothing more to say. You can like make calculations. For instance, 2p is 6.28. Anyways, you get the idea. I think a lot of you will had this in school or still have it. And actually I got a TI-83 which broke, and then I was buying this one. Okay, my friends, this was the little riddle. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.